in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain. Oh, baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control of the lights in the space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. Now you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space, and I can't deny how badly I need you now. I need you now. I need you now.
My grubbies, coming to y'all with an awesome mukbang today. I'm coming to y'all with something that has been requested to me, something I never ate before, and something that I think I'm going to enjoy because it smells so good. I'm coming to y'all today with jerk chicken. Yes, jerk chicken with plantains, whatever you want to call it. There's the jerk chicken. It comes with veggies, corn, and then I got a side of plantains, and underneath the plantains, you get some rice, black bean rice, I think it's called. Ooh, it's spicy. Yum, 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 yum. Y'all, I cannot wait to get started on this. This was requested by, I know it was more than one person, y'all, who said to do Jamaican / Haitian food. I think this is considered Jamaican, but I know it was more than one person, and I'm thinking that it came from a subby named TB Corns. This is for you, hun, because I was like, I'm going to try it. And this place had oxtails, y'all. They had jerk ribs. They had curry chicken. They had all kind of amazing things. But I said, today I'm going to try this. And I had to video it because I was like, oh my God, it is just so beautiful. Look at this plate one more time. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, y'all, let's get underneath some of this plantains. I had to try I got a side of these because I want to try them. I've never had plantains, which it looked like banana, but look, you get the rice underneath there. Doesn't that look good, y'all? The plate itself is just beautiful. All right, I'm ready to grub. So what time is it? Let's just say this. What time is it? It's time to grub. All right, let's give God some glory. Amen. Good Lord, yes. Ooh, I'm gonna dig right in, y'all, to this rice with some kind of something right there. I don't know what that is, but I want to show y'all a lot of this. Are y'all excited like I am? Potato. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Let me show y'all this side. Ooh, the flavor is so good. It's spicy too. Delicious. I'm liking that. Oh my God. How have I been missing out on this? Cucumber. Y'all, that is so good. Oh my goodness. The rice is kind of sweet, but it has a little beans in it. Y'all. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, yes. Now, I'm not a fan of coleslaw, but I'm going to try it. Because, why not? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Oh my God. This is amazing. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. Mm. Oh my God. And they give you a lot. A lot. Mm. Mm. I'm even liking this. Mm. It kind of tastes like spicy, but sweet. The lady told me that you can get seasoning added to it if you want to. Oh my goodness, y'all. I have discovered a new flavor. Ooh, another one around. A new flavor. Oh my goodness, look at this little chicken leg. It's a little chicken leg. Mmm. You get a lot. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Let me savor it. Let me enjoy this. Mmm. Because it's delicious. Try plantain. Mmm. Oh my God. That is so freaking good. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. 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 All my grubbies who told me to try jerk chicken, Haitian, Jamaican food. Oh my God. Thank y'all so much. Mm. This is delicious. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna get right there with all that gravy at. Mm. Yeah. Bomb is not a good enough word for this. Mm. Whole new experience. I'm going to try the oxtails next. Y'all don't say nothing when I keep coming with these videos from this place. Oh my God. I have to try everything. And I'm going to show y'all everything. Because y'all don't want to send me there. Mmm. Mm. Mm. And it is so good, y'all. I'm not going to lie. Mm, 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 mm. That flavor on that chicken. Oh my God. Mm. $19. So you must get 5 or 6 of them. It makes me happy. Because it's kind of sweet, but not overly sweet. No. It is delicious. I see they like their rice too. Okay. Make me want to go to Jamaica, baby. So good, y'all. Let me give y'all another view of this rice and beans. Uh-oh. Y'all, it's so freaking good. I don't know how to get their meat like that. They had sold out of the oxtails already, where he was cooking some up, which I wasn't getting them, but so good, y'all. Y'all, this was delicious. I'm just getting a little full, but I'm not going to stop eating because I want some more of this. Y'all, the rice with the fresh veggies. It is so good. The name of the restaurant is Taste Right Jamaican Cuisine. I can't stop eating it. And I'm full. Well, y'all, I want to just come show y'all this awesomeness, this deliciousness, this, oh my God, yes-ness. So good. I'm going to take the rest to work, y'all, because I have to go to work in a little while. But I want to come and give y'all this video, me and this hitting on the table, and just tell y'all how much I love y'all and I appreciate my subscribers. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. Hope y'all liked my nacho video and my other videos. And I'm doing it for y'all because I really do appreciate y'all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all, y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright? Y'all share this video. Share. I'm Cherice. This is Time to Grow Cherice. If you like it, come on, join the family. And always remember to dab on your haters. Sparkle on them. And I'll see y'all the next time it's time to grow. I'm going to eat this, though. Believe that. I'm going to eat this, though. Bye, y'all.